Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the repository and confirming which release you will modify, clone or check out the correct branch now. Once done, make sure to back up the gem spec and relevant lib files so you can revert. Open your editor, then locate the code that defines PAO, typically in lib/ or gem spec attributes. You should be working in a feature branch. Don't skip these steps, because the next edits assume the repository and files are ready and saved. Now edit the PAO definition itself. Change the constant, method, or configuration key that supplies PAO behavior. When altering logic, prefer small, testable commits, refactor only as necessary. Once changed, run the test suite and update, or add specs to cover the new behavior. Use targeted unit tests to confirm edge cases. If the gem exposes configuration, add a deprecation path or default so existing consumers will finish by bumping the gem version, updating the changelog, and building the gem locally with gem build to verify packaging. Install the local gem into a clean environment and run integration or smoke tests to confirm runtime behavior. When everything passes, push the branch and publish to your registry. If something goes wrong, first check test failures and logs, then revert to the back copies or use git bisect to find the exact commit. One key tip: run the failing test under a debugger to inspect PAO state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.